Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you today? I hope that you are all fine. So beta, first of all take out your textbook, hurry up and open the page number 107. Take out your textbook and page number, open the page number 107, 107. Hurry up Baba and listen to me carefully. So today I have got topic is the present continuous tense for the future. The present continuous tense for the future. First of all we will learn present continuous tense and otherwise the present continuous tense for the future. So we first of all we tense present continuous tense for the future. Okay beta, first of all we will learn present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Present मौजूदा, continuous जारी means continually and tense is time. Present continuous tense is used for actions. Definition. First of all I will write definition. The present continuous tense is used for actions going on at the moment, going on at the moment of speaking, Now the present continuous tense is used for actions going on the moment of speaking. First of all we will learn simple present continuous tense and other we learn for the present continuous tense for the future. So now the present continuous tense is used for actions going on the moment of speaking, or other definition is such form of verb which shows that subject is doing something in present time, that is called present continuous tense. Okay beta, so now present continuous tense, the present continuous tense is used for in actions going on the moment of speaking, or such form of verb which shows that subject is doing something in present time, present moment, that is called present continuous tense. Continuous means continually, jari, and we use in present continuous tense first form of verb plus ing form. We use in present continuous tense. I have already teach you beta present continuous tense, so I will tell you in orally. Please listen to me carefully. So now beta present continuous tense The present continuous tense is used for actions going on the moment of speaking. Such form of verb which shows that subject is doing something or some work in present time, present moment, that is called present continuous tense. So we use in present continuous tense first form of main verb beta and plus ing form means gerund. We use present continuous tense main first form of main verb plus ing form in assertive or interrogative or negative all formations or structure of sentences. Now, and helping verbs of present continuous tense, there are three helping verbs of present continuous tense: is, am and are. Is, am and are, and we use which pronouns we use is, am and are. Is we use he, she, it and singular names are nouns. Is we use he, she, it and singular names are nouns, and I only we use with am only we use with I, and are we use plural nouns or pronouns means we, you, they, many more beta. Okay, and structure, first of all you don't know, you know beta already know, you have already know structure of sentence. First of all we write doer of work plus helping verb plus object main verb of first form of verb main verb plus ing form. Okay beta, and now future tense means coming time. Future tense means coming time. The present future tense, such a form of verb which shows that subject will do something in present in coming time, that is called future tense. So the present continuous tense is sometimes used for the future, as we saw in lesson 12. The present continuous tense is sometimes used for the future, as we saw in lesson 12. So I am meeting him tomorrow. Am is a helping verb of present continuous tense, and tomorrow indicate the incoming time. Tomorrow indicates the incoming time. So I am meeting him tomorrow subane. We are having a party next week. असां party करे रहिया आहियूं अगले ईंदड़ हफ़्ते. It usually refers to something definitely arranged to happen fairly soon. Now exercise number C, exercise not a C beta, sorry. Exercise number A, reply to these questions using the present continuous tense. When you are meeting your friend, you solve yourself and give answers these questions. Now turn to page number 108. Future continuous tense means what is future tense? First, future tense for such a form of verb which shows that subject will do something in coming time, that is called future tense. And future continuous will be doing some work in coming time, that is called future continuous tense. And helping verbs are future continuous tense, will, are, shall. I and we use which helping verb we use shall, and otherwise will, and I will also shall and will also use. Now the future continuous tense is sometimes used for an action going on during a period of time in the future. The future continuous tense is sometimes used for an action going on during a period of time in the future. I shall be working करे रहियो हूंदुसि फ्रॉम 5 to 6 कलाक 6 o'clock 5 खां 6 बजे ताईं tomorrow सुभाणे. Continue पुट. I shall be working from 5 to 6 o'clock tomorrow. We do not need to know when the action will begin and when it will finish. Now at 5:30 tomorrow. At 5:30 5:30 बजे सुभाणे I shall be working मां कम करे रहियो हूंदुसि. Answer exercise number B. Answer these questions using the future continuous tense. What will you be doing in an hour's time? Number second, what will you be doing at 5 o'clock this afternoon? What will you be doing at 8:30 tonight? Simple beta. The future continuous is also used in very much the same way as the present continuous tense. The future continuous tense is also used in very much the same way as the present continuous. Okay, I am leaving tomorrow मां हितां छॾे रहियो आहियां, वञी रहियो आहियां सुभाणे। आई शैल बी लिविंग टुमारो, मां सुभाणे छॾे रहियो लिविंग छॾे रहियो हूंदुसि। These tenses have the very similar meaning, but the future continuous tense is not indefinite and often refers to the more distant future. I am seeing him at tomorrow. I am seeing him at tomorrow. I shall be seeing him sometime next year. Number C, replace, exercise number C, replace the present continuous tense with the future continuous tense. Replace present continuous tense with future continuous. We were leaving soon. We shall be leaving soon means tomorrow. Now this exercise also you are solve yourself. Now turn to page number 109. The simple present tense. It's such words as when, until, as soon as, after, before in sentences like the following. The simple present tense is used even though the time is clearly the future. I shall ask him when I see him. We shall not know the answer until he tells us. As soon as she arrives, I shall ask her. Add when, until, as soon as, after and before. When जॾहिं, until जेसीं ताईं, as soon as जल्दी, after पोइ, before अॻु to these questions. Please let me know dash he arrives. Before he arrives. I shall keep it dash he asked for it. Before, after he asked for it. So now beta agree and this often gives a word an opposite meaning. Now beta this. Now beta this often gives a word in opposite. Often gives a word an opposite meaning. Right beta, opposite meaning means a disorder. Order means tartib, disorder गैर tartib. Honor इज्जतदार, dishonor बेइज्जत. Miss often has a meaning of badly or wrongly. Dis and miss. Disgay often gives a word an opposite meaning and miss often has the meaning of badly or wrongly. Misbehave. Add this to these words, then use each word in sentence. Use your dictionary. Agree, disagree. Appear, disappear. Coverage, miscoverage. Cover, discover. Grace, disgrace. Order, disorder. Dishonor, misplace, dissolve. Okay, now sorry beta, use in these words disagree, disappear, coverage, discoverage. Now add miss. So beta today our topic है dis and miss are prefixes. Dis are miss are prefixes. So today our topic has finished. Tomorrow I will meet you again. So thank you and Allah Hafiz.